crazy to think that 15 weeks ago, 2 months ago, 3 months ago, I was sat in the tractor with my little video recorder thing, saying stuff that I think to write in my book. Alfie was a lot smaller then, wasn't you, Alf? And I would have probably had a different hairstyle. Actually, I know I would have. Probably I don't know what I had. I go through so many, I can't remember. But finally, it's done. The world according to Caleb. Look at that. My hair looks good on there as well. It's all about the hair. It's crazy, you know. I've written my first ever book, which is available October the 13th. I'm going to start reading it again in the tractor when I have 5 minutes. This one hasn't got GPS, but the other ones has. So when I'm in the tractor with the GPS, I can just click that on. I can have a little bit of a read. Thank you very much, everyone, and I hope you really enjoy it when it comes out in October.